Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change name on Spotify. So it's pretty simple, but before that I'm going to make it clear. There are two types of name in Spotify, username and display name. Your username is going to be randomly picked when you create an account and you can never change it. It all depends on Spotify on what type of username they give you. But your display name is under your control and you can change it. And today I will show you how to change your display name. Click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen after opening Spotify and click on view profile. Once you click on view profile, you can see a little edit button right beside your profile picture. Click on edit and over here it's going to show you your current name. My current name is Witchy Kevin. So if I want to change it, I need to click on the current name and a little keyboard will appear at the bottom. And I can remove the name which I have and I can choose whichever name I want. After I choose my name, I can click on save at the top right corner and basically done, my name will be changed. That is how you guys can change your name on Spotify. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.